Hola, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what comes out. Break free. You are being asked to break free from the tribe in order to live your authentic life. This isn't easy, but it's very necessary if you're going to share your true self with others. Be brave, be real, be you, and trust that those who love you will always be there for you. Beautiful butterfly. And what are today's angel numbers? Do you ever see angel numbers? 5555, change. I embrace change with an open heart and mind. I know that change brings growth and new opportunities. I flow with life's changes, trusting that they lead me to my highest good. I know that bad days do not last forever. It's a good reminder. The Empress. Ganesha or Ganesha. And the last card today before we go to our little quotes. Mystic Meadow Sanctuary, number 26. What magical animals are you seeing lately? Alrighty, let's try out this little envelope today. I didn't set this boundary to offend you. I did it to manage the priorities and goals I have set for my life. If you keep saying yes to things you don't want, don't be surprised when your life feels full but not fulfilling. My new go-to move is to yawn in front of people so they yawn. And then I can say, "Oh, you're tired. I should go." Things to practice saying to yourself. I'm proud of myself. I'll try again. I trust myself. Today is for me. I know I'm capable. I matter. This matters. I don't have to if I don't want to. Take your problem and put it in a glass of water. Stir it well. Now you have a solution. Ha ho ho. At some point today, lie down and repeat the words. The world can wait. Let yourself flop and drop. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.